Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So wait, why can't you get an inspection?
Everybody knows that, everybody who has a Subaru knows that the TGVs are garbage.
What's a TGV?
It's your tumbler generator valve. What happens is when your car actually starts in the morning, there's a little flap in the intake that closes itself, so your car...
Is it like the flap that people get when they lose like a bunch of weight?
Now, back to what I was saying. Everyone who has a Subaru knows that the TGVs are garbage, and while in this car, the range sensor is no longer good. Went to Subaru to go visit my buddy Andre, because I used to work for Subaru. Subaru doesn't make it, the actual sensor itself. You can find them online, but if you want to buy them from Subaru, you gotta buy the whole assembly for like $500, and I'm not doing that for $500. I'll go buy the TGV deletes from IAG. And we're going to throw those in with the fuel system once I get it. And then once we get it tuned by IAG, we should be in the clear and get the inspection. But
Oh, that's a dog!
dead cat.
Dead cat and a dead cat on the side of the road.
Right now the car's running a little funny sometimes, so we're actually, the reason why we're taking the car to check out this engine is to see if it will happen so I could data log it on the access board and send it in so they could make the slight corrections they're going to make it run better. And then, yeah. Turbo kit's got to be put on hold now, though. I think everybody, we didn't say that yet.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Turbo kit has to be put on hold for a little bit.
Yeah.
Got to do some other things first. Some unexpected events have occurred.
Yeah. And then my twin turbo kit. So I was on their website. They have a Fairlady Z engine that would fit, and I think that has a little bit more power, and it's like $100 more.
In half a mile,
We could put that in there. It has less miles on it.
State Parkway North.
Fairlady Z. It's the same. It's just a higher model.
Yeah, well, we'll see when we get there. He'll tell you.
Yeah. He'll tell us what'll fit.
As long as it's a VQ35.
No, yeah, it's a DE. VQ35DE.
Yeah, that's the.
Yeah. I think the only difference it just has like, I don't know what the difference is actually, but when I was like on like the Z1 Performance blog or vlog, not blog, forum. Everyone was saying, oh yeah, I'm thinking about getting a new engine. Mine's acting up. Because Z's, everyone knows they're notorious for oil problems.
Yep.
So...
Where am I taking Route 9?
No, you're taking Garden State Parkway. Oh. I got cash for the tolls.
No, you just drive through.
What?
You just drive through.
You can't just drive through, you have to get a ticket.
No, you don't. You just drive through because we have an Easy Pass, and then they'll just send it to Easy Pass.
Oh, really?
Take a picture of the license plate.
Oh. I can't wait for cashless tolling. It's like... You don't have to deal with it. You can just drive. No more stupid people looking for coins or change or whatever and taking like hours to get through. It's just all going to be cashless tolling, and it's just way better. What is that? Traffic management.
Keep right to merge onto Garden State Parkway North.
And now the car's off. Way to stall, asshole.
Well, it's because the freaking blow-off valve is a tile. It's massive.
Teal.
Tile.
Teal.
It's tile. Oh, we're gonna have to drive to get this to. We're gonna sit off for a minute, so we actually have to move because it'll open on a hot startup, and it sometimes stalls the car like it is now, and then it never wants to find its way back to idling place.
No, it's cool. It's like those new energy efficient cars that turn off at idle.
It's called a hybrid.
In a quarter mile, keep left to merge onto Garden State
It's not
Parkway
new. They're
North.
pretty old, actually.
It's called I don't have a vagina.
Yeah.
No offense if you drive a hybrid, but in June it's gonna be like $20.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
really annoying.
Because it's 18 now.
Oh no, I'm talking about this window noise.
Yeah.
That's really annoying.
I think your mirror is loose. Yeah, it's wobbling.
Get out of the car.
Bye, guys. Okay. I almost dropped my phone on that one. That would have been bad.
You're supposed to move over a lane, aren't you?
Yeah, you're supposed to go over a lane and slow down to 35 miles an hour. Yeah, it's a felony.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's aggravated assault on a state trooper.
Oh my god.
No, I'm kidding. That's not what it is. The car does seem like it's running a little weird.
It is running.
Is it because you haven't driven in like a week?
No, I mean, it's nothing crazy.
So my car runs a little weird on the bridge. Is that weird? Is it because of high altitude? But it runs really shaky on the bridge. But then as soon as I'm off, it's fine again. There's another cop spot. Oh no, it's just...
Why are they...
I'm gonna bring my Jaguar to tow out my pickup truck.
Yeah.
There was a Jaguar with a tow hook and a big pickup
What
truck.
is this guy doing? He's driving 40 miles an hour over here.
I mean, we just put a GTR engine in there. Call it a day. RB25.
10 grand. Go pay the 10 grand.
They had one for 3,200.
No.
It had 140,000 miles.
So you need the trans.
No, it was the whole thing.
No, it wasn't.
Engine trans, 3,200.
It's 10 grand. That
It was 140,000 miles on it.
And you need a computer to run it.
Oh, really? Boo! We'll just put a 2J in there. A 2J will fit, right?
Yeah.
So the battery just died, and we are 5 minutes away.
Look at that, a loft.
Where?
Parkway Lofts.
Oh wow, those are actually probably really nice. Probably really cheap too. Because you're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, you're close to the train, so you can just.
There's a multicolored Acura coming
Take
up.
exit 148 toward County Highway 506.
It's Chameleon.
Field Avenue.
Luxury rentals, Parkway Lofts. Let's look that up online. I love those windows. You're literally in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around. Oh my god, look at this, guys.
You know what's funny? We're avoiding a 50-cent toll.
I have 50 cents. I think.
Something sounds fucking loose.
No, it's just engine mounts. It's fine. You can drive with loose engine mounts.
I need to see what
I don't suggest pulling over here.
that is. Huh?
I don't suggest pulling over here.
No, we're gonna pull over and look
At
at
the
the plate.
place, yeah. We're turning left on right onto Montgomery.
Turn right?
On Montgomery, keep going.
Oh.
Oh, look at that BMW dealership. There's a giant BMW in the sky. You see that? You just went through a red.
Huh?
You just went through a red. There's an I-8 just chilling up there.
Straight? Still?
Yeah, straight stuff. Yeah. A used BMW dealership with a I-8 in the sky. Look at that. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get an I-8. We're gonna put it like
In the sky.
in the sky.
That's gotta be all the way down
It is.
there. Oh, right there.
You sure they open?
Yeah. It said they were open. Let's go on.
Arrived at JDM Engine Depot.
Let's go on the front, shall we?
Where is the front? Oh my goodness, this place. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're gonna lose your bumper here. We should like park so we can do like a quick getaway in case.
they do. So.
Oh, look at that. They can fit it right in a CRZ.
Yeah, it's a Honda motor.
We don't know that.
Yeah.
We are here. So we just finished up here at JDM. Got the receipt and the tracking number for the engine swap. And we are all good to go. So by next week we'll be putting the new engine in. I'm gonna see how bad they could beat this one up to shit. Cause when you have an engine to beat to shit, why not? So yeah, we're gonna go get some food now and, you know.
Let me just take a peek underneath the hood, right?
Be guys. So we're here at a meet. It's Tuesday night and we went to the first place where they roll out and no one was there. But we're at where the meet actually happens now. So there's some people walking over. Some people walking over. You might know them.
I debugged the motor from stage 3 block.
So you have everything.
So far, I'm waiting to put a turbo in. So right now it's breaking.
You're on stock like pistons and shit or not? No? Fully built, rods, everything. If you don't mind, what are you pushing to the wheels?
Right now it's on breaking. I only have literally 13.
See, everywhere we go. Ugh.
I've been looking for so hard to find
Like when I vlog, I'm a kid, so.
Oh, you should watch our channel. We built the whole car on it.
Really?
Yeah.
I started when I got actually 2 views.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is Jacob right here with the rest of the night.
I'm Joey.
What's up, man? I'm Richie.
Nice to meet you.
What's up? I'm
You'll be on the
Richie.
channel. Richie and Richie. And this is Stefan. I'm Joey.
Not the same camera, bro.
The T5i?
Oh, wait, are you recording right now?
Yeah. You're recording right now.
we're doing on it.
Yeah.
What's it
no,
again?
it's just Joey Bercolari. Joey.
Joey.
BRU.
BRU.
CCU. LE.
U.
Oh, Rich, I'll get it to you. 'cause I only have 1% off.
Yep, that's it.
There you go.
Yep. And then you just
There you
subscribe.
go,
We have like a whole bunch.
Yo, if you want to subscribe to mine,
Yeah, sure.
this is mine, Richie Bento. It's
Hey,
just literally
as
about.
soon as you subscribe, I'll follow you.
Yep, just did it, bro. This is yours?
Yeah.
Damn, this is nice too.
So the V6 Mustang's back. Guess he's trying to make some more friends. I don't know. Careful. Huh? Here we go. He's gonna pull right next to us.
That is the kid. He
Yeah,
was like,
same one.
I want to bring my Mustang. He was posting on Facebook. He's
Yeah,
like, I wanna
on the
bring my
group.
Mustang out.
Yep, he's gonna loop around. He's gonna keep looping around.
Cop pulled through.
Like, how do people do that, bro?
I don't know. So wait, what do you have done to your car?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, see, like, it was a show
Can we tell him
car.
for the...
Oh, right, for that?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, what am I looking at? Hey. All right. Well, I got just an exhaust, a catback Flowmaster, American Thunder exhaust, and I have an air intake. That's literally all performance, so. But I have everything, like, looks-wise. I have a whole body kit, front splitter, carbon trunk, carbon side skirts, carbon front splitter, carbon spoiler. Yeah. All Oracle lights everywhere.
Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm back home now, pretty beat. Meet was pretty good. There's some new people there we haven't really met before. One of the guys has it's actually fully built 500 Aberth, which we're going to review later this week. So that'll be up next week. Next week's video, it'll be Fiat 500 Aberth. This weekend we're filming the engine removal replaceable for the Z, and a couple more things for the STI. So we have a lot of things going on, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment if you want something to say, and see ya.